Today is November 13th, 2020 in Ohio. This morning, the temperature has dropped quite significantly overnight. We're looking at like a 12-degree drop where we're at. We were out early November. We ran into a crazy buck and seen some doe, but nothing was really too crazy chasing on the property. So now we've waited about a little over a week, and now we're going back out to go check, and hopefully we have a good Friday morning hunt. I'm super excited. I'm super stoked to get out. All right, it's just after shooting light, and we're in our tree stand. The area really starts to kick off right about 8:30 or so. So that's what we're waiting for. Last week they were coming right through here, right about 8. And a couple videos ago, you seen them coming way back there. So hopefully the wind's blowing this way. So hopefully we get the buck cruising downwind of the bedding area here. Man, I wish I would have had my camera today. Seen a lot of movement so far today. It was right at like 15 yards, 20 yards. Anyways, he did a big mule kick, and he ran in the general direction. So it's about 8:45 in the morning. So I'm gonna let him run off. And give him about a half an hour. I'm gonna go ahead and climb down, kind of just wait here. It's been about 20 minutes, and I'm out of the stand. Whew, I went and checked the game camera and or the trail cam. Actually, you know what? I think I might go pull a card, and I'm gonna go start kind of tracking this guy. And oh man, I wish I had the camera today. I checked the trail cam. It's kind of crazy, massive amounts of turkey. I can probably show it on camera. So go back and take this card back and look at it. But I gotta go find this guy, track him down. Let's see if we get blood. Oh yeah, we got a nice blood trail here. I'm standing here now. There we go. There's some blood. And the arrow is right here. We're gonna start our tracking. I think we're good enough here. Yeah, look at the fur. Oh yeah, you know what? That's a lung shot. Bubbles right in the. Whew. It's a good shot. That was a good shot. So we got blood here, massive amounts of blood. Air in it. See the bubbles. Yeah, that was a good bunk shot. I don't remember him running this way, but I guess so. Wow, it's way over there too. Still continuing. There's some more. All right, and it goes all the way up. he probably ran. I mean, I heard him running, so maybe he had to run at least 60, 80 yards. It's spraying blood on the trees. We got some blood there. More blood here. So we're still walking, we're still cruising. He's up there somewhere, but it's looking good so far. I haven't lost the trail and still nice strong blood. And it looks like he's heading back onto my property. He has to be around here somewhere. I just don't know where. He couldn't have made it much farther. This dude's running on willpower. Yes, sir. I think he's right over there. So we're gonna walk up on him nice and slow. Yep, that's him. Yeah, it was a long shot. He's a big guy. His neck is nice and fat, but like I said, he was a prick, and to all the other ones. So I'm actually kind of glad I ran into him. And we'll get him all dressed up and get him back to the property.